Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join line in 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, let's just go ahead and create a line right here just for you to see. Like that, and that. This angle as well. That. Now we have two. Now go ahead and go to modifier right here. Click on line or the drop down, select vertex. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down. And then we're going to find attach. Okay, click on attach and select the second line. Just like so. As you can see. Now if you want to connect them, you just go ahead and scroll all the way down. Connect it from here. Connect what? These two. Okay, you have these points right here. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to join two lines in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.